Electromagnetic radiation is one of two major wave phenomena that are important for life. The other one is sound. Both are means of transmitting energy through space in the form of waves. Despite having very different physical origins, both electromagnetic radiation and sound have certain things in common, including variation in frequency, amplitude, and speed of propagation. Electromagnetic radiation occurs on a spectrum of wavelengths, which include such seemingly disparate phenomena as microwaves, infrared radiation, and cosmic rays. Visible light, defined as electromagnetic radiation that we can see with our eyes, constitutes only a small fraction of the broad spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. The major source of electromagnetic radiation for life on Earth is, of course, light from the sun. The input of light energy from the sun not only powers life by photosynthesis, it also powers climate. Climate is much in the news these days, but most of what you hear is uninformed dogma. One thing we'll do in this lecture is take a deep look at the interaction of the Earth with light from the sun, and how climate is tied in with the energy balance of the Earth open thermodynamic system. As you watch the videos to follow, I would like you to keep three things in mind. First, what are the fundamental similarities between electromagnetic radiation and sound? Both are wave phenomena. What do they have in common, and how do they differ? Second, what is the source of electromagnetic radiation? How does it come about, and how is it propagated in waves? And third, what drives climate on Earth, and how is this tied in with the radiant energy balance of the Earth? Keep in mind especially that the Earth is an open thermodynamic system. And here's a hint: the fourth law of thermodynamics applies.